Good day mga ka-earner. So right now, we're actually here in our goat house. So I just released them so that they can eat outside and I can clean their goat house. So right now, we're going to talk about goat farming. So taking care of goats is easy. Well, that's what I thought. Of course, what they meant with taking care of goats is easy is that it's easier compared to other livestock because they will only graze or you can give them food inside their goat house, and then you don't need to buy any feeds unless you want them to get healthy or fat. But if you have enough goat forage, then you won't need any of that. But then it is still hard because it will actually affect your daily lives or daily routine. Like for example, you're going somewhere, and if you don't have anyone to take care of your goats, you must give them a lot of food first, or you cannot go on a vacation for a long period of time because you will think about your goats. So that's how goat farming works. But it depends because if you have if you're paying someone to take care of your goats, then that's the real business because you will gain a lot if you have a lot of goats. But then if you have a few like mine, I actually have, like before I have 13, but now there's only 10 10 or 9 goats right now because some of my goats died, but it's fine because I'm always learning from my experiences. So it is like that. If you only have a few goats, excuse me. So if you only have few goats, it will be hard to get the profit. So it will take around 2 to 3 years before you get the profit because I actually spent money on the goat house, the goat fence, like that. But then if I will only tie the goats, it is actually less expensive, so it is more cheaper. It is more cheap, and then it is affordable because I will only tie them. But the problem with that is that if you have 10 goats or more, then you will tie everyone, then you need to take them again. So it is a little bit tiring compared to like right now. If I open the door, they will just go because I have fence, so it is easier. But then even though it is easy, like cleaning the goat house every day and then giving them food, planting goat forage, and then thinking about where to get legumes and other goat forage, so it is a little bit hard. It is hard, it is not easy, but it is not as hard as taking care of other livestock. So if you're thinking that if you're going to take care of goats and then you don't need to spend a lot of time, then that's that's actually that's going to be a problem, to become a problem, because you need to spend a lot of time in your goat farm. So if you're planning to take care of goats, make sure that you actually have passion and you love the goats. If you like farming, you love farming, you love your goats, then there's no problem with taking care of them. Even though when you're tired, when you see the goats, you will have your energy back. So you will feel happy whenever you see them growing, and then especially if you have kids, if they already gave birth, then it will be better. So you will feel better if you see them because you know that you're working what you're working for is actually starting to grow. So that's all for today. I just wanted you to know that goat farming is actually hard, but not as hard as other livestock farming. So before, I always tell you guys that I always tell everyone that taking care of goats is easy. It's easy. So it's not that easy, but as I said, if you have other people, if you pay other people to take care of your goats, then yeah, of course that's easy. But if you're the only one who's taking care of them, then your time will be on your goats, especially if you have work. So it is more harder because like for me, I already have work, so I have to balance my time. So even though I'm already tired working, and then I will still need to spend a lot of time here in our goat farm. So it's like that. You must have time for your goats. So it is taking care of goats is hard. So it's not as easy as you think. So there you go. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and then see you again next time.